top stories for today are SRK's fan to clash yet again with a biggie at the box office. Kapoor and Sons trailer mends bridges between B-Town's friends turned foes. और Katrina and Aditya Roy Kapoor बताएंगे how it was working with Tabu after Rekha in Fitur. Hey guys, I'm Caitlin and you're watching Spot Boys, Sab Kuch Bollywood. Spot Boy. Seems like SRK loves taking challenges. Recently, box office par Dilwale lost out to Bajra Mastani, but that doesn't stop him from clashing yet another time with a biggie at the box office. Kiske saath is baar clash karenge SRK? Let's find out in our top story. शाहरुख खान हर साल लाते हैं कोई ना कोई बड़ी फिल्म और वो फिल्म SRK उसकी कास्ट और बजट के अलावा रहती है इन न्यूज़ बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स बॉक्स ऑफिस क्लैश विद अनदर बिग बजट स्ट्रॉन्ग फिल्म। लगता है SRK का मन नहीं भरता जब तक वो अपनी फिल्म्स को किसी दूसरी रॉक सॉलिड फिल्म के साथ थिएटर्स में ना उतारे। SRK की आखिरी पिक्चर थी दिलवाले which clashed with Bajra Mastani and we all know what happened thereafter. And we thought कि SRK इस बार अपना लेसन सीख गए हैं, लेकिन नहीं, SRK is ready to do the same thing all over again with his upcoming film Fan. और इस बार SRK की फैन करने वाली है clash with the live action feature The Jungle Book. वैसे तो SRK मूवी को शायद ही कोई हॉलीवुड मूवी कंपटीशन दे सके, but Rudyard Kipling's Jungle Book and characters like Mowgli, Kaa and of course Sher Khan are not less loved in India. फैन और द जंगल बुक के इस क्लैश के बारे में स्पॉट बॉय ने बात की ट्रेड पंडित से। We spoke to सौरभ सक्सेना, COO Carnival Cinema, जो खुद भी एक मोगली फैन है। उन्होंने कहा,
Everybody is very fond of Jungle Book, so Jungle Book will do a fantastic again. Like I'll say, it would be almost like what we had last year in April, though not the same time.
Manoj Desai, owner of the Gaiety Galaxy and Maratha Mandir Cinemas, said,
एक तो फैन यानी टोटल शाहरुख के फैन और प्लस शाहरुख के चाहने वाले जाएंगे और जहाँ तक डिज्नी बुक का सवाल है, अगर वैकेशन शुरू होती तो इट विल मेक अ डिफरेंस 100%, लेकिन अलग अलग आए तो ज्यादा अच्छा है।
वेल, ट्रेड तो अभी फुली डिसाइड नहीं है अबाउट कौन बनेगा बाजीगर और कौन जाएगा घर, लेकिन फैंस आर डेफिनेटली वेटिंग फॉर बोथ द फिल्म्स। Kapoor and Sons का हो गया है trailer launch, but seems like this trailer has done more than just entertaining the audience. If you're wondering what exactly that more is, then let me help you out a little. This trailer launch has actually mended bridges between a few friends turned foes. How? Let's find out. कपूर एंड सन्स के आते ही फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एटमॉस्फेयर कुछ ऐसा बना है कि सब गिले शिकवे भूलकर करना चाह रहे हैं किस एंड मेक अप। Actually, अभी तक किसिंग की नौबत तो नहीं आई है, but feelers are being sent to mend old relationships gone bad. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं अनुराग कश्यप और ऋषि कपूर की। फिल्म का फर्स्ट लुक रिलीज होते ही अनुराग ने कर दिया ट्वीट शावरिंग प्रेजेस ऑन द ट्रेलर, जिसमें फीचर करते हैं अ वेरी क्यूट एंड पजी लुकिंग चिंटू जी। I really want to see this film #Kapoor and Sons at Shakun Batra looks so damn good. बॉम्बे वेलवेट के डिबैकल के बाद रणबीर कपूर को नहीं मिली थी फैंटम फिल्म से अपनी पूरी फीस। उसी समय ऋषि कपूर had given अनुराग and team an earful. तब से अनुराग मेंटेन करते हैं one hand distance from all things कपूर, but clearly with this tweet उन्होंने बढ़ा दिया है पहला कदम to reconcile with ऋषि and son. Moving on, Mrs. Khan यानी कि अवंतिका खान ने भी बांधे काफी तारीफों के पुल. She took to her social media page praising the film. So proud of my friends at Aisha Devitra and at Shakun Batra. Thank you for showing people how movies should be made. I love you guys. #Kapoor and Sons in theaters on 18th March. #be there or be square. अब अवंतिका के डियर हस्बैंड इमरान और कपूर एंड सन्स के प्रोड्यूसर करण जौहर के बीच की अनबन के बारे में तो आपने सुना ही होगा। इनफैक्ट हमने आपको बताया कि करण एंड इमरान shared some icy cold vibes during Harvard University's India conference in the US. But लग रहा है that the lady of the house knows better than to prolong this cold war. उन्होंने अपनी और इमरान की तरफ से कर दिया है दोस्ती का हाथ extend by endorsing Karan's latest film. वाओ भाई, वी मस्ट से करण ने एक तीर से 2 निशाने लगाया है। उन्होंने ना सिर्फ जीत लिया दिल अपनी ऑडियंस का, बट अपने वंस गुड फ्रेंड्स का भी। द बॉल इज नाउ इन करण's court। देखना ये है कि उनका रिस्पॉन्स क्या रहेगा। Did you guys know that Katrina and Aditya Roy Kapoor had trouble adjusting with Tabu once she replaced Rekha in Fitur? Not because Tabu is difficult to work with, but isliye kyunki both got used to Rekha. No more in this candid interview with Spot Boys entertainment editor Vicky Lalwani.
This evening I have 2 very hot and happening stars of Bollywood. Let's take you straight to the Fitur Jori, Katrina Kaif and Aditya Roy Kapoor. Welcome to Spot Boy. Hi Katrina, hi Aditya.
Thank you for having us.
ये कहानी एक किताब से शुरू होती है, फितूर की। आप पहले ये बताएंगे कि आप दोनों ने किताब पढ़ी कि नहीं पढ़ी?
Adi has not read the book. Adi was bunking school, not attending the literature
I was just lazy.
classes.
No, honestly, it's not. I didn't want to read it because I feel like whatever Gattu's done, he's taken the book and he's made it his own. He's, he's adapted it in his own way. And he's changed a few things that he felt maybe needed changing. So I felt like if I read the book and I would confuse myself. When I'm reading the script, I'm like, it's in the book, it's not in the script. As an actor, I think your script is your Bible. It is what you have to get all your clues and everything from. So I didn't want to confuse myself.
Shooting with Tabu, were you nervous?
I was curious. I remember the first scene we shot together. For the first time, for the first part of the first few rehearsals or whatever, I was just looking at what she was doing. In between the shots, we just really connected as people. We just spoke a lot.
That made it easier.
I just was talking to her, just wanting to know. I think she must have felt a little weird at first because I was just asking her so many questions.
We were taking an interview
What happened in 8 years ago? What kind of films? What was the industry like then? Oh, what happened when you used to work? I was just asking her so many questions. But she was very sweet.
You find it a little tough because you had shot a day or 2 with Rekha also the same?
Yes. It was a difficult transition. Yeah, it was. Because we had all been married to the idea of that for so long. It wasn't like everyone was cast 2 months ago. We've gone on the floors. It was a long time. And now that I look back at it, the way I see it is, at least we always carry the memory of those 2 days with the shoot.
Yeah, they're lovely days. Yeah.
That is, we see you more with younger heroes now. I mean, you were doing films with Akshay, Salman, and more of in the earlier part of your career. Is there any particular modus operandi? Is it a conscious decision?
No, not at all. But also, logic comes into it, right? Like me and Akshay have done, if I'm not mistaken, 5 films together.
Yes.
So 5 films ke baad means he's also going to have to. You don't want your Jodi to get repetitive or stale in that place. Like, I actually met Akshay a little while ago. I said that a nice film, like maybe a sequel to Singer's King, and I would love to do another really good film with Akshay. The same case is with Salman. Also, we've done multiple films together. You don't want things to be repetitive. With Shah Rukh, sir, I'd love to do another film with him. I would love to do another film with Aamir. I made the mistake once of challenging him to a race. So on Dhoom 3, we were both in our peak level of fitness. Okay, Aamir's very fair, huh? So he's like, "Are you sure, Katrina? Do you want to race with me?" I was like, "Yeah, come on, man. Nice Chicago road. Let's run down the park." Yeah. So the moral of the story is, do not ever make the mistake of thinking that you are faster than Aamir Khan.
Wow, he's really fast.
He runs crazy. He runs at the speed of I think 17 or 18 on the treadmill.
What?
I swear to God.
That's
Ask him when you
crazy.
see him. It's crazy.
So we want to see you in many more films.
Inshallah, God willing, I will be.
And the same for
doing
you,
a film
Aditya.
with
And
all
I
of
wish
them
you
again.
all the best for Fitur.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being on Spot Boy.
Thank you so much.
Well, this was just a sneak peek of this interesting chat. But if you want to see the uncut version of this interview, then log on to spotboy.com. Up next is Sunny Leone and her troubles. Latest ये है कि Sunny की फिल्म मस्तीज़ादे रिलीज होकर फ्लॉपी हो गई, लेकिन the controversies are still lingering on. सनी लियोने, वीर दास और तुषार कपूर की मस्तीज़ादे बॉक्स ऑफिस पे पिटी, लेकिन कंट्रोवर्सीज इस फिल्म का पीछा अभी भी नहीं छोड़ रही है। स्पॉट बॉय को मालूम पड़ा है that a Delhi lawyer has filed an FIR against मस्तीज़ादे। ये FIR लॉन्च हुई है दिल्ली की आदर्श नगर पुलिस स्टेशन में। फिल्म में एक सीन है जहां एक कैरेक्टर पोज कर रहा है विद अ कॉन्डम, लेकिन मंदिर के सामने। कंप्लेन लॉन्च की गई है इस सीन के बारे में। स्पॉट बॉय ने किया अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन और इस FIR की खबर को कंफर्म किया with the police officials who said the scene has been cleared by the censor board, so this complaint actually doesn't hold water. वैसे स्पॉट बॉय ने आपको पहले भी बताया था that मस्तीज़ादे was in trouble before its release with the censor board. और अब रिलीज के बाद ये ट्रबल? खैर, now that the police have said कि कंप्लेंट का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, we are sure the star cast and makers can chill out.
What's your take on this issue? Do you think Milab Zaveri has hurt religious sentiments with Mastizadeh? Send in your comments on our app or portal spotboy.com. Till then, it's me, Caitlin, signing off. But you guys be back for the second edition of Spotboy.